Don't miss all new Totally Spies. Saturday, January 10th at 9:30 a.m. Only on Cartoon Network. Coming up next, it's Regular Show.
Introducing Chipotle's new high-protein menu with real chicken.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the National Weather Service in Los Angeles, California. A flash flood warning has been issued for Los Angeles County. At 6:42 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated heavy rainfall across the warned area. Rainfall rates of 1 to 2 inches per hour are occurring. Flash flooding is ongoing, or expected to begin shortly. Locations impacted include downtown Los Angeles, Hollywood, Pasadena, Santa Monica, Long Beach, Inglewood, Burbank, Glendale, Torrance, and surrounding communities. This includes the following highways and roadways: Interstate 5, Interstate 10, Interstate 405, U.S. Route 101, and State Route 1. Excessive rainfall will cause rapid rises in creeks and streams, flooding of streets and underpasses, and mudslides or debris flows in burn-scar areas. Turn around, don't drown. Most flood-related deaths occur in vehicles. Do not attempt to drive through flooded roadways. Move to higher ground immediately if you are in a flood-prone area. This flash flood warning remains in effect until 9:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. For additional information, monitor NOAA weather radio, local media, or trusted weather sources.